Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Xbox Family Settings app or go to Account, Microsoft.com/family in your browser. Sign in with the Microsoft account that manages the child's profile and device. Confirm you have adult permissions to change screen time, content filters, and app permissions. Have the child's Xbox console nearby if you must remove device restrictions. Note that removing restrictions may require re-verifying your identity by email or phone. Gather the console name and the child's gamer tag before you begin. On a PC, open account, Microsoft.com/family and sign in with your managing Microsoft account. Select the child account you want to edit from the family dashboard list on screen. To change screen time, click Screen Time and toggle the console schedule or set custom limits. To adjust content filters, click Content Restrictions and set age limits and allowed apps. To remove restrictions, choose Remove Restrictions or remove the child from family to reset controls. Save changes and sign out, then confirm changes took effect on the child's PC or console. If prompted, complete identity verification via email code or phone code to confirm adult access. If two-step verification blocks changes sign in on trusted device, then re-attempt the setting change. Alternatively, use the Xbox Family Settings app on your phone to change the same controls remotely. Explain changes to the child and save receipts for purchases when you disable purchase restrictions. After changes, verify gameplay, store access, and communication settings on child's PC or console. If problems continue, contact Microsoft support at account, Microsoft.com or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.